Tomorrow na pala, right? Yeah, it's Monday. Teacher said Johnny will recite it on Monday. How do you know? I talked to your mommy. Is it mommy or mama? Wow. Ready? Ready. Sige, pang-away mo muna yun. Tapos let's do it from the top. From the Airbnb.
And later tiny wings.
The
Purple-headed mountain. The river running high. The sunset and the morning.
that brightens
Up
up
the
the
sky.
sky. That
With
gives
us
us
eyes,
eyes,
children, mouth,
lips.
with a hand.
How great
Is God Almighty.
who made all things well. Ang galing.
Brightens up the sky.
That
God,
gives
God gave us eyes to see them.
and lips that we might tell.
How great is God Almighty.
Who made all things well. Ang galing. Sige. What's your baon? Ano? Who? Who put that inside the bag? You or mommy? Mommy. Only you? Oh, you chose it. Oh, you have it. Oh, it's from me. Sige, you can eat muna. While you're eating, you're gonna copy this one. Oh, I have my apple sauce. I got my water. So, lalagyan ko.
I just pick it up and eat it.
For Papa, this one says, welcome home, Papa. Okay. Love Joan. Oh, this one, welcome home, Papa.
Black again because my papa also likes black.
Wait,
Yeah. And me and my mama. It's because we always wear black all the time.
is it a cold water? Ready? From the top again, okay? You get lots of creatures, all creatures, big and small. You forgot the creatures. When you say creatures, these are the animals, the people, that live in the world. You do not forget us. Do not forget the animals. Okay, ready? From the top. 1, 2, 3, go.
All things bright and beautiful. All things bright and beautiful.
Forget us again. Ano tawag sa atin? Creatures. All creatures.
Big and small.
Wise and wonderful. The Lord that made them all. Each little flower Then